Mamacita. So glad you guys could join me here today. So excited to have you. If you're brand new, I welcome you. Those of you who are not new, welcome back. We are about to unbox a candle box from one of my favorite candle subscription box companies. If you've seen any of my previous unboxings before for this company, you will know that I absolutely love Vellabox. I am such a fan of candles. I am such a fan of being able to try new scents, and that is what is so fun about subscription boxes. Subscription boxes allow you to try different things that you maybe would have found on your own. And Vellabox is super unique in that they offer different scents monthly for you to choose from based on your preferences. So when you go to Vellabox.com, you are going to be able to fill out your profile. I personally love sweeter scents. I love softer scents. I don't like the overpowering bam, bam in your face type scents. I like a scent to be welcoming. I like it to be sweet. I don't like the real loud woodsy scents. It's just not my jam. But Vellabox, I have not been disappointed with them yet. So let's go ahead and unbox the March Vellabox. So it comes in a smaller box like this. If you do get the larger subscription box package, you are gonna get free shipping. And I love that as well. And the really cool thing about this is, you know, candles are delicate, candles are fragile. I have not had any issues whatsoever with the packaging of these candles. They have always come intact. They have always been beautifully packaged. Simple, but beautiful. And you're gonna see that in just a minute, what I mean by that. I think you're really going to be impressed with the beauty and the simplicity of this particular box. Comes in this box right here, Vellabox, it says. On the side, it says recycle after use. They keep the packaging minimal in an effort to cut down on unnecessary waste. Recycle your box, reuse what you can inside, and share with us. Artisan made, luxury scents, elevated design, eco-friendly packaging, and natural ingredients. Bam. It looks simple. It looks really basic. But to me, it's classy. It's minimalist and it's classy. So on the inside fold here, it says, be bold and take life to new heights. For the full experience, play our March playlist on Spotify. So you can go to Spotify there and you can listen to their playlist. And then every single month, you're going to get a little freebie inside, and it'll be a sample from whatever company they collaborate with. So this month, it is Scentbird. So they have a little postcard here. It says Scentbird on it, and you can get 50% off your first month at Scentbird. So there is a little thing you can scan, and you can get more information about that particular subscription box. Okay, and then inside, we have the Scentbird sample, as well as the feature what's inside the particular candle bag. What I love that is they have a little scanny thingamajig here, so you can scan and it'll take you right to that particular candle, and you can check it out on their website and order it if you want. So if you get a candle on here and you're like, oh man, I wish I would have gotten this one, you can go on there and order that one as well. So super, super, super great option for you as well to try out new scents. You could have received the Penthouse for fans of herbal and citrus, the Fresh Linen for fans of fresh, the Nightfall for fans of woodsy, and then the Love Affair for fans of floral. And then it gives each particular note for each scent, as well as a little description of each one. Then on the back, it says featuring Hardeman Home. That is the actual brand of the candle company that they collaborated with this month. So Hardeman Home, founder Kendall saw her nephew have an allergic reaction to candle after candle. even the ones that claim to be clean. So she decided to make her own, free of phthalates, paraffin, toxins, and most allergen triggers. She started making candles on her kitchen stove and storing them in the pantry. When there was no longer room for food, she knew it was time to expand into her own facility and expand Hardiman Home to what it is today. Hardiman Home offers candles and other quality home goods designed to elevate your space. Their greatest joy is being a part of someone's home and all of the memories made within their walls. Every candle is going to come in a little canvas bag like this. And what I love about these bags is they are reusable. So you can use them for storing jewelry, storing whatever you want inside of these bags, maybe even gifting something, using it as a little gift bag. So I got the all natural soy Love Affair. Love Affair is for fans of floral, grapefruit, peach, apple, cherry blossom, hydrangea, and powder. This one is love at first sniff. You'll be so smitten over the beautiful blend of fruity and floral notes. You may even find yourself cheating on your other candles. The candle looks like this, comes in a jar, has the label on it. Yeah, that smells really good. It really reminds me of definitely fruity, delicate, not a bam bam in your face type scent. I love that. This would be perfect for the bathroom, perfect for the bedroom. Just kind of soften the air a bit. I like that a lot. I can definitely smell the grapefruit in there. The grapefruit and the hydrangea combination is very pronounced in this candle. This is the Viviere candle subscription box. So it is the largest one. This candle is gonna last you 75 plus hours. So it's gonna last you a while, which is super, super nice. I love that. And I love that it's all natural, soy, no toxins, that kind of thing. And we're gonna talk about the collaboration with Scentbird. Their surprise item here is the luxury perfume with the case. It's up to a $32 value. So this is a surprise item that they've never done before. They're collaborating with Scentbird to pair a perfume with your candle. Oh, complimentary to the scent. So you're gonna receive one of 5 fragrances in your box. The Get a Room, Scarlet, Javon Rhino, Vaquita Dolphin, or Amur Leopard. So each vial comes in its own Scentbird perfume case and a surprise color. I got the pink. Read more scent details on the card provided with your perfume. What is that? This is the Deck of Scarlet. So see, this is the case that it holds it in. The vial goes inside like this, and you can simply spray. Not so sure I like that. I'm very choosy when it comes to my scents as far as the perfume goes. Very nice to have a freebie in there to try out. It has a nice case, so if you are already a member of Scentbird or you're thinking about Scentbird, you will have a nice case to use as well if you order any additional fragrances. And I might just go on there to see the different options they have on their website as well. That concludes the unboxing of my March Vellabox. Let's go ahead and rate this box. Are you guys ready? Go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Vellabox, you know I love you. You know I freaking love you. Last month's candle was probably my favorite candle that I've ever received from there. I'm definitely going to be ordering that scent again. This one was okay, not as good as the last one. Definitely a bathroom type scent in my opinion because it has the grapefruit type smell, hydrangea, fresh, clean, yeah. Singular subscription box is gonna run you about $30 a month, I believe, for the Viviere, but you're getting the free shipping, so you're saving some money that way as well, and then you get the free Scentbird sample. Maybe you guys would have enjoyed this one particularly. For me, no. When we rate the box, we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box. We rate based on the variety of the items in the box, the quality. Drum roll, please. Vellabox, you are going to get a rating of a 6.5. 6.5. So what do you guys think of this box? Let me know down in the comment section down below. What is your favorite scent? I want to know. If you like this video, please hit that like, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. We'll see you guys in the next video.